Smile and learn.
Hello, everyone! Today, let's talk about the first letter in the alphabet, the letter A.
Hi, I'm A. I'm going to tell you about me. First, how do I sound? I'm a little tricky because I have different sounds. One sound is like this. Ah. 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 Say it strong, like a lion. Ah. Say it soft, like a mouse. Ah. Great! Let's read me in these words. Ant, ant. Apple, apple. Astronaut, astronaut. Great! Now this is my other sound. A. 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 One more time. Say it strong, like a lion. A. Say it soft, like a mouse. A. Okay! Let's read me in these words. Acorn, acorn. Alien, alien. April, April. Woo-wee! It's time for What's This? Can you guess what it is? I'll give you a hint. It starts with me, letter A. What's this? It's an astronaut. Anna the astronaut. Hi, Anna. Now it's time to write me. It's easy. Let's start with the uppercase A. We start at the top and draw one diagonal line down, back to the top, and we draw another line down. Then we connect them across. Good job! It looks like a house. Okay, let's do the lowercase. Start here near the middle. Go around, up and down, and shazam! We have a lowercase a. Good job! It looks like a ball of yarn. Now you try. It's super easy. Okay, that's enough work for today. How about we sing a little? Do you know Anna the astronaut?
Anna the astronaut is an artist. Anna the astronaut, she loves avocados. She paints alpacas. This one is Albert. Albert the alpaca is alpaca avocado art. Alpaca avocado art? Alpaca avocado art! avocado art.
We've learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn. Subscribe to the Smile and Learn educational channel to learn and have fun at the same time.